Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you how to make apps or game using your Android phone. So let's get started. Open Play Store and search for Ready Maker or click on the link in the description box. Download this app and open it. It will take some time to open. It will open like this. Click on create new account and create a new account. I already have an account, so I'll log in. When the app is open, click on the Create New button on the top right side of the screen. Now you can make a game or app without knowing any programming. I'm gonna show you a demo. Note that it's just a demo. You can make amazing apps using this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.